My name is Thomas Baxter. I'm the head of innovation in Svitzer, and have been involved with the project of Svitzer Balder from the beginning too.
At the International Tug and Sailfish Convention, you gave a very interesting presentation about the latest Svitzer attempt to hit the water. Can you give a bit more information to us about its importance to the company?
Yes. So Svitzer Balder is the largest transverse tug we have built to date, and it's a very capable escort tug. So that the escort tugs are the most demanding operations that we do in Svitzer. And therefore, it's quite exciting that we have been able to power that platform with the batteries and also methanol gensets. So we are actually able to demonstrate that even the most demanding tasks we can perform with future technologies, with potentially green technologies. So for us, that's a quite important step to show that there is systems on the market that will provide enough capability in order to do the most energy-intense operation that we do.
And how does its operation going to impact positively Svitzer's strategy for fleet renewal?
Yeah, so we have learned a lot about electric trucks through this project, and of course also a lot about methanol. As it stands right now, we have not seen the methanol market scale. So currently, green methanol is sitting at a premium, whereas green electricity is becoming more and more abundant. So the electrification route right now looks a little bit more mature than the methanol route, but this platform allows us to understand both routes. As far as electrification goes, we believe that we will see battery prices decreasing in the coming years, and we will see battery capacity flowing, which means that these tugs will become more and more capable over a wider range of all the operations that we do at a cost-effective level.
And of course, Svitzer Balder is a transverse 3500. Can you give us an indication of how the transverse design is a positive for Svitzer?
Yeah, so the transverse design is a way to, it's a platform that allows us to get the most capability out of the equipment that we purchase. So by organizing the equipment, which is still comparable to the equipment we would put into any other design, by positioning the equipment in the way that we do, combining it with the toe point of the transverse tug, we are able to achieve outcomes that we could not achieve with more traditional designs. So for us, it's an ideal platform to put our CapEx that we invest in equipment into, which is also why that as Svitzer we are by majority building transverse tugs now. So if we have a say and there's no specific requirements that would demand another design, then we will choose to build a transverse design in Svitzer.